Hi, I'm Nina from Curry on Cooking. I'm going to make naan bread to go along with your Currylicious kits. I'm assuming you're a curryaholic, and naan bread is probably the most popular thing that we order when we're eating out, so why not eat it in? Okay, so to start with, this makes 8, so you need 400 grams of self-raising flour. You're going to need 150 milliliters of milk and a yogurt pot. And in a yogurt pot, I think it's 125 milliliters of yogurt. Natural, low fat will do. It really doesn't matter what you use. So what I do is I mix my yogurt in with my milk, and in there I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Going in, give that a stir. I'm making a little well, I'm pouring it in, mixing it up. So now I'm using the back of my spoon. You could probably use a wooden spoon if you wanted to. So, I'm just going to clean the spoon off, get my fingers in there. You can see it's already coming together beautifully. Okay, so you get your flour into 8 equal parts roughly. You're rolling it out, getting a bit of flour onto your board. So you've got your gas on, and then you're going to roll. Get your garlic, and then you're just going to roll the garlic into your naan bread, like so, making a nice shape. And then you're just going to pop it down. Just roll the next one. But you can get 2 on at the same time on these pans. Then turn this one over and see if it's, oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's have a look at this one. That one's done. Oh yeah, they're both done. Pop in a clean tea towel so you can have garlic. You could sprinkle 3 seeds on yours. Gorgeous. Gorgeous nigella seeds are the black ones. You've got cumin seeds in here, and you've also got mustard seeds. So I'm just going to roll them in as well. And you could just have plain naans with fenugreek leaves. So this has got a lot of good properties in there. Right. Go. Coriander. Oh, don't they look gorgeous? So, what curry will you be eating with yours? I suppose I would share them, otherwise I'm going to be going with garlic breath. And that's how you make the perfect naan to go with your perfect curry on